Alright, so it's literally 4 a.m. in the morning. I've made an impulse buy and now I've got to do a 10-hour round trip to go get it. So, let's do this. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so before I start this episode, I just want to give it a big shout out to some people first. Firstly, my boys, Glenn, Carl and Gary. I've been dealing with a lot lately, and those three have pulled me through. Probably wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for those three. So, boys, I want to thank you. This episode's one that I've always wanted to do, and it's every little boy's dream. So my next shout out, and I cannot stress this enough, is I just want to thank Mick Viggers and Kylie Clifford. These two people have given me their property to play on and do all this sort of stuff. And without these guys, I wouldn't be able to do this build. Everybody knows that my dream car is a Dodge Viper, but my dream build is what is in this episode. So, Kylie and Mick, I can't thank you enough. It means the world to me. It's so nice to have somewhere to go, somewhere peaceful, where I'm not surrounded by dickhead neighbours and everything like that. So, I can't thank you enough. So, yeah, everybody thank Mick and Kylie down in the comments there, and let's get on with this episode. Alright, so we're about an hour and a half into the trip, maybe 2 hours in. I've just stopped in at, I don't think it's Yass, I don't know what it is, it's off the side of Yass, but yeah, anyways, it's telling me that I've got 2 hours and 51 minutes to go, so there's not a lot out here. I'll show you. As you can see, there's some sheepies, trucks and stuff, so not a lot. I will keep moving. Alright, so I fucking bought, you're not going to believe it, we've turned up to where I am. It's actually a farm, and the bloke's really nice. Like, his name's Daryl, he's been helping out, he's loading up and everything like that for me with his big tractor. You should see this thing, it's insane. But what I'm going to show you is I bought monster truck tyres. That's right, this thing's happening. I got those two, I got those two, and Daryl is loading up 2 more for me now. I got 6 monster truck tyres. So now we're just gonna fucking get these on. I am so excited. I'm turning into like a little boy here, but yeah, we'll get them loaded on, we're good. Alright, so it's the next morning. I got those wheels home. Well, not to my house, but to the twins' house. Like, these things are huge. You just don't understand how big they are. So, I'll show you. We're just coming down the street now. These things are massive. Like, massive, massive. I was talking to Glenn last night, and I even mentioned that they're probably too big. But, anyways, can you see them just coming around the corner now? Oh, yeah. Look at those big boys. Hey? Alright. Alright. Out of the farm, and we've got the tyres here, and we're going to try and get it up the hill. So, the girls are having a fit. Look. Got the tyres.
I'm gonna pull out
Got the car. We're going to go up and open the gate up the hill, but I'm going to try and keep this in motion because I just don't know if we're going to make it up it. It doesn't look that steep, but believe me, it really, really is, especially when you've got to do it on foot. So let's get this up the hill. We'll see how we go. We're going. Come on. Go, go, go. We're going. And we're up. We got some temperature. Just getting warm. Oh, alright, we're up. We're in, we're good. Alright, let's get these to the van and get them unloaded. Alright, so I've got no real way of taking these off, so I've got it strapped to the girls' tree. I'm going to drive off. I want to try and flip these ones off so I can separate them, so I can stand one up against here so you can see just how tall it really is. These two here are joined, this one isn't. None of those three are joined. So yeah, I'm going to flip them and then try and slide them off so they stay upright, and then we'll try and put one in front and I'll show you just how big these are compared to me for scale. Alright? Through the fence. Alright, so I'm out in the back paddock. There, that gully bit there is where the tyres came down, and we're down in the other paddock here, and they've come down and around and all the way along down here, and there they are, stationary. The problem is Mick's graded this paddock and it's all soft dirt. So I've got the ute, I've got the trailer. Hopefully, just hopefully I can drag that back on. I don't know where the strap is, there's no telltale signs of it on the tyres, but we'll get down there and we'll have a look. Alright, so as you see, we've got the tyres back up after I'm going down the hill. It's just lucky we didn't break anything or damage the fence that's down the bottom of the hill there. So, yeah. What am I going to put them on? I want to try and find something crazy and unique. I was thinking like a limousine, or maybe even like a coaster bus. Not a big one, but like a 14 or 20 seater or something. So yeah, if you've got ideas, put them in the comments and let me know what you think. But I mean, they're a decent sized tyre and everything like that. And if you've been on the Facebook page, you'll see that I tried to climb the Hilux on the Getz, the old blue Getz. And I got up halfway up there, but the suspension dug into the windshield. You can see the broken windshield. So yeah, the goal is to try and mount these tyres to something unique. Like I said, I'd like a limousine. I just think that'd be cool. But yeah, I'm happy to do like a coaster bus or something. But yeah, if you guys can think of something, I'd like to see about 8 if we can. So if you know of anything or something that's cheap, doesn't have to run, as long as it's straight, has more than 8 seats and everything like that, I'm interested. So let me know, put down in the comments what you think, what I should mount it to, and then yeah. But anyways, that'll do us for this episode. I've picked up some monster truck wheels. That's what we're going to build next. So like I always say, like, subscribe and share, and thanks for making it to the end of the episode. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everything you guys do for me. So yeah, and like I always say, I'll see you in the next episode.